is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got another one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is something you can get, and then you can say, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I have Batman fish cake. Look, he looks all like, man, that was a rough day. Boy, I could go for some noodles. I'm so tired. Busy being Batman. And then on the lid, I think he has another. I think here he's he's going poop. Oh, I'm Batman. I don't know. The only Batman stuff that I like is the Adam West, Burt Ward. Yeah, that's super cheesy. Come on, friend of friends. I smell trouble. Things like that. Quick, to the Batmobile. That crap. I always like that. I think it's funny. Now it just takes itself way too seriously. What are we gonna do? Oh my. This one's a 3-minute, isn't it? I'm pretty darn sure. We got... Oh, come on. 3, yeah. So... There's our 3 minutes on the clock. Give it a little push down. That's what you do with your noodle. You push it down. That's what I do with the noodle. And we slap a lid on it and say bada bing, bada boom, and we wait. Yeah, in the actual post for this, I was kind of stoked. You can get the entire Batman series for like $55 on Amazon. I think that's neat. On DVD. I don't even really... I've got a DVD player on the computer. We've got ones for the kids in the car. But I don't have one like set up with my stereo or anything like that. I remember it used to be, we had VHS tapes, and then it switched over to the DVDs, and then it just switched over to like copies of stuff, you know? And what do you want? You want to have a whole book. It was like CDs. People had all these bookshelves completely packed to the gills with CDs. I go to the thrift store all the time. They have like so many freaking DVDs and CDs there. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. Not at all. It's not a joke. There are so many. I mean, there's just like no room to store all this media, physical media. And I'm just not interested in it, man. I'm not. And I don't want to hang out with all that freaking stuff. Too much stuff. Way too much stuff. Incredibly large amount of stuff. I like having less stuff. I just like having things that are like fascinating stuff. I'm a hoarder of weird things. I will say that much. Oh, I found a thing. I found a trail treat the other day. Let me go grab it. Hold on. So as I'm walking, I have no idea what this thing is, but it's like, look at that. Whoa. It's like a piece of that, and then there's this, like a weird bottle opener carabiner thing, and then that. Is this for like, this thing makes me think it's for like putting chains on your bike. What does this say? China 20. And this one says, oh, it says something on it. says Night Eyes. There's like Nite, and then the next word is Ize. Maybe I can look that up. I think that's what it says. I'm legally blind, so I can't really tell, but curious. It's curiouser and curiouser. This one's a garlic shrimp aji, Sapporo Ichiban, CupStar, shrimp garlic, Batman. Very weird. I'll give it a try. I'm hopeful, but I'm not expecting, because it's a tie-in. Sometimes tie-ins work. Generally, come on, guys, make it a good noodle. Noodle isn't too bad. Hydrated well. Look at the... I'm getting a bit of a garlic. Broth. It's not bad. Not a showstopper, not a wow, holy crap. I don't know that Batman would like this. He might. Actually, I enjoy eating moths. Okay. Thanks, Batman. Haven't used this bowl in a while. I figure he's the Dark Knight, so I should use a black bowl. Oh, that didn't work out. There's definitely a lot of noodle in this one. Whoa. Whoa. A lot of stuff on the bottom. It's like cabbage. Oh, and there's Batman Narutomaki too, which I think is kind of neat. But again, it's kind of gimmicky, and Batman's alright, I guess. I will definitely try some of the Batman Naruto when I'm done plating and all that, but that's what it looks like right there. You'll see it easier on the top down, I'm sure. We'll go with a slice with chashu. Yeah, some of the ones that Zen Pop sends are absolutely top notch. Others are just kind of like, eh. But this is fun. I mean, I really like getting tie-in ones, good or bad. They're pretty neat. Got a sprank. Who wants a sprank? There's a sprank. And I've got a... It does have the fish cake on it already, but I do have this nice thawed slice of Naruto, which can go right here. And we got to do an egg. I made 4 of them. I did 4 for 4 this morning. I'm really proud of myself. Can you tell? I am so proud of me. Uh-oh. Okay. Here we are. And the standard little spring onion. Mm-hmm. 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 You know how often I have to write the word mung bean sprout on my reviews? Quite a bit. These are fresh. I got these yesterday at the store. And actually, I emailed the grocery store corporate headquarters about the stinky bags. So we'll see what they have to say about it. I looked up stinky grocery store plastic bags, and I found this long Facebook thread about Walmart having the same stuff with canned responses left and right. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. Look at that. You might be thinking right off the bat, ooh, round. No, this is Nissan Kanzen. And this is their Abura Soba. Abura Soba. This is a Kanzen meal, which is supposed to say it's complete. And this came by way of Frank over at instantramen.jp. You can use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Ultra premium stuff that he's got over there. You should really check it out if you want to get some neato, super duper neato Japanese varieties. So do so. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.